Hi there. Have you ever come across a client who's absolutely angry and frustrated with the entire world? So, understand they're not actually angry or frustrated with you yourself, but with the situation or the process. Alright? I have faced such clients, and trust me, I have sweated initially. However, over time, I have learned that we can de escalate such situations by remaining, calm and not interrupting the client. Let the customer or the client finish what they have to say. Don't interrupt them. All right. Acknowledge their feelings and the situation. Be sure to take ownership of the issue and offer a solution. Now, I understand offering a solution right away is not always possible because, of course, the case might have a different case owner, or it could be with a different team for that matter, or it could be a vendor or anyone possible. Okay, so what do? How do you handle such customers? Customer says this is unacceptable. Please don't go and say, okay, calm down. He's only going to escalate. He's only going to shout more. Okay, he's going to be more frustrated with you. So instead, use this: Mr. Smith, I understand where you're coming from, or I understand your situation. Okay, and I would love to fix this issue for you. Okay, I would love to fix this issue for you. If you could give me a few minutes, let me go through your ticket and see if I can find the concerned analyst, or if I can get a feedback from the concerned team. All right. So, this is something that you can say or do for the customer. So, the trigger is, or the moral of the story is, never fight emotions with logic. It does not work. All right. Listen to the customer, acknowledge what they are feeling, take ownership, and provide a solution. De escalation starts with validation. Like, subscribe, and share my channel with people who you think will benefit from this. Okay? And don't forget to turn on that bell notification. You will receive my videos first. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.